Howdy ho, bitches! Welcome to another super exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what the fuck's gonna come out of a box, what kind of box it is, or in this case, how fucking big the box is. I guess we're gonna get a lesson in boxing stupidity while we're unboxing. But before we get to unboxing, let's get uncanny with a can of marvelous Coca-Cola. Drink up, buttercup. I should move this over here because this box is big. Today's box is a brown cardboard box with lots of labels on it. Orange, white, black, a little bit of red, green. The size of this box is 19 inches by 15 inches by 7 inches and weighs 1.1 kilos. So 2.3, 2.4 pounds. When you shake it, it sounds like that. And when you look at it, it looks like this. Such a big box, but it, weighs nothing. And there's stuff. Alright, let's pardon my elbow shot in for elbow boy. And you never know, the person that actually packed this might be watching, so you're a fucking douchebag. Box packer. Here may have a fucking fudge packer too. Now, remember how big this fucking box is, right? This is a lesson in boxing douchebaggery. What's so big it needs to fit in this gigantic box? Fucking cocksucker. A lot of paper. A lot of paper. What a fucking dickwad. The only reason I'm saying this is because the person might actually watch the video. There is a... oh look. There you go. There's a box in a bag in the box. And all this. It's okay. You think you're funny, eh? Fucking douchebag. Why don't you come over here and fucking find out? There you go, asshole. And a nice big box for that. I'm not even gonna open that. It's a battery and a cable. Boom. Didn't say I was gonna unbox everything. I just said I was gonna unbox. Here you go, bitches. Bingo fucking zingo. Whoa, I can make another video with that. RTFO.